Hi everyone. So this is again Sketchman Boris. Going back to the previous format, um, as in like you just see the art I'm doing. So this is collection of 10 children's book stories that I will. Well, the plan is to self-publish it in on Amazon, the Kindle publishing. Just to see, I want to try different publishing, like what do you call it, publishing avenues, or just publishing, uh, different ways to publish, I guess. I'm tempted to draw the couch, or the sofa he's sitting on with the same brush, but I'm going to use a pen just to kind of make the characters pop a little bit, or just differentiate the characters from the background. So this is a children's book that I've written. To be honest, I I had the ideas for the stories. I just wrote the basic outline of what happens, and then I asked ChatGPT to develop it into like story, and then I went back in and edited down to the interesting parts that I liked. So it's kind of like a AI assisted story. And actually, even the illustrations in the beginning, me and my friend, we kind of were thinking of doing AI, but then, to be honest, I think learning to draw, or learning to do the children's book with consistent characters and stuff is just more complicated, I feel. And also, when I finished writing the stories, they were just so fun, and I wanted to draw them. And when I started drawing them, like just like I think I feel like I've followed a process that I usually don't follow, which is like I wrote the script, and then thumbnailed the whole book, and then knocked down like really quickly pencils. I think I might have done a stream or a video where I actually just pencil the page. So of course, compared to a comic book, I would say this is easier because it's just for per page. It's just like one big illustration. And also, I don't. I'm kind of. I don't even know who is this for, to be honest. Um, but and that's a really complicated question. I don't know. I do it is it is a series of children's books, but there are things that I don't know if people do in children's book, and also it's maybe more like a young adult novel or something. Well, no, sorry. What am I saying? Maybe more for like 12, 13 year olds. And I guess, I think, actually, to be honest, I'm writing this for me. I'm almost 40 now, so mean, to be honest, like when I don't want to compare myself, but like, well, this is just a thought that came to my mind. Like when uh, Miyazaki is writing a story, is he thinking of like I'm going to write this for this part of the population? No, right? Like he's just writing. You just, I mean, you just tell the stories because you want to say something. You want to tell a story. You want to share ideas. I don't know how I'm drawing, but I'm always really sleepy. I still am like I just draw. The drawing table is just next to the bed, so I can just roll over and like go to bed. I love the brush pen. I can't say it enough. I love brush pen so much. And to be honest, like yeah, rest in peace, Kim Jong Gi. You know, we wouldn't be using brush pen, to be honest, if it wasn't for him. Like that company better like pay, well, keep paying, like sharing their profits to their family. I don't know. It's. I think you get an idea of like when you're working on something. Like oh, this is I like this. Like I think this might be something interesting. That's the feeling I'm getting from this project. So I think I'm going to go with just 5. So it's already done. So here in Thailand, so it's 11:25 p.m. on Friday. To be honest, like I thought today was a Saturday. A lot of exciting things happening. I just hope they will keep me in my day job because that's what is paying the bills. So guys, like if you like love watching me draw, please go support me, even if it's as simple as going to my website or just giving a donation to my coffee page. It's really appreciated. Because my goal is to become a full-time artist, comic artist, someone who draws children's books. I just want to do that, like just draw comic books, children's books, and then develop the art magazine that I created with friends, and just develop that. So this is done. So I wanted to show you the pages I did today. So this new brush pen, it takes a little bit longer to dry. It's more watery. So the stories have this simple, but I think that's what I really like about stories, the simplicity of stories. So actually my friend is a huge fan of Avatar: The Last Airbender, so he was just talking about this, and I kind of wanted to just let's just check that out, because I was like, I'm really enjoying the animated series, so I want to watch that before I watch the new Netflix adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. So what I'll do is I'll pencil. Wait, I need to take a picture. I need a reference of a tiger. Tiger. Oh, okay. So it's like the white should be here. And then tigers are beautiful, right? Okay, like this. And then like this. So if the horizon line is here, I think I'll leave the space for the text here on this side. So that's some. So I'm going to bed. Thank you so much for watching. So what I do is like this is the habit that I've taken because that this really helps me because so I really recommend the Atomic Habits book because just having the drawing table already ready with the pencil and the eraser and everything next to it um, just makes me more productive because it makes it easy. Um, I don't know where I put the needle eraser. Anyway, um, it makes it easy to just sit down and draw. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Again, just keep drawing, keep creating. If you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm always encouraging people to do their own thing, to lead a creative life, and yeah, to just be happy and kind of make the other people happy. Be kind and help each other. And I think if you are doing what you love and kind of just making, even if you're making just enough to eat and live comfortably, that's fine. Like I'm really bad at saving, so I'm kind of working on that. Kind of saving money and stuff because it's important for like unpredictable things. And just like try to be active, physically active. Just talk to people because I think your body and mind are connected. And if you keep your mind too active but not your body active enough, and the other way around, vice versa, if you are, I don't think it's. I think there needs to be. I don't want to use the word balance because, to be honest, I don't. I feel like that word is misleading. So there isn't really like something called balance in my opinion. It's always a struggle to keep the balance, and I think there's a pleasure in that. Anyway, I don't want to get too much into the philosophical thoughts or ramblings, but thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. So this is Sketchman Boris signing off.